Do you want to revolutionize your digital marketing strategy and become a benchmark in your industry? Would you like to build new relationships with customers and boost your brand's growth? Then this video is for you. In this video, we will talk about a new strategy that we have developed at Cyberclick to help brands connect better with their audience and boost their results: people-led marketing. Let's get started. Did you know that 92% of users trust recommendations from other people more than content created by brands? The truth is that consumers want proximity, such as brands that provide a different value from which they can relate to. This is why we have created people-led marketing, a new strategy that is based on the power of content generated by people, data, and technology for analysis, hyper-segmentation, and new online channels for distribution. Let's see what each of these pillars consist of and how you can work them to activate people-led marketing in your global strategy. Content. For the people-led marketing methodology to be successful, brands must work and develop extensively a good organic content strategy, taking into account market trends, audience and buyer persona interests, as well as internal information available to them. A significant part of this content must have people as protagonists in a context of reality. People find it easier to empathize with other people than directly with brands because we can see ourselves reflected in their comments, reactions, or experiences. And when we talk about people, we mean all kinds of people: influencers, employees, content creators, customers, suppliers, brand enthusiasts, celebrities, and more. Moreover, content can be created in all types: blogs, videos, audio, user-generated content, reviews, and testimonials. The possibilities are endless. Generating a large amount of content will allow us to collect a lot of data from users, which will help us as a brand to better understand their behavior, buying patterns, and their needs. In addition, thanks to data, we will be able to measure the impact of their actions and predict changes and new market trends. We already know that customer data management is one of the biggest challenges we face in digital marketing. So for people-led marketing to work, it is essential to achieve a single customer view. But how do we do this? Through the development of a good customer relationship management strategy. It will allow us to centralize and manage all of the information of potential leads. It will facilitate collaboration between the marketing and sales departments, improve the relationship throughout the customer lifecycle, and allow us to have a more realistic picture of the results obtained. Currently, one of the best CRMs on the market is HubSpot, through a customer data platform. This is a kind of unified database that tags and centralizes customer data from all channels and sources, collects it in a repository, and then enhances it with attributes to generate audiences and 360-degree profiles. For example, transaction and order data, behavioral, web and mobile data, customer profiles, and the brand's own products. It should be noted that the content data duo is key for the rest of the people-led marketing steps to continue working. One pillar feeds back on the other and vice versa, because the more content we generate, the more data we collect. And the more data we collect and analyze, the better the content we can create. Technology. In order to achieve all of the above at scale and to ensure that the data generated is fed and updated in an automated and integrated way with all of the company's systems, it is essential to have our own extensive and powerful technological stack. By implementing more complex integrations and automations, we will be able to scale our actions and enhance the results obtained, effectively targeting our desired audience and sending the most appropriate message in the most appropriate channel. These are the main technological considerations we should take into account. Integration of internal systems with ERP. An ERP is a software that manages and automates the different administrative and operational processes of a company. This program helps companies manage the different day-to-day tasks, such as managing inventory, setting prices, tracking sales, keeping accounts, managing risk, or hiring personnel. You could say it's a way to unify many different business processes into a single system. More complex connections and integrations with external platforms. To exploit the full potential of the data we have at our fingertips, it's a good idea to integrate external data analysis and optimization tools. A more detailed analysis of the information will give us a holistic view of our actions and will allow us to not only better understand user behavior, but also to anticipate trends and new patterns, as well as errors or aspects of our strategy that need to be rectified. simplified. In addition, by integrating these tools with our CRM, for example, we will be able to create much more detailed and updated audience profiles so that we can continue to improve our content creation and distribution strategy to impact the most relevant audience for our objectives. The importance of automation. As we have already mentioned, automation plays a big role in the success of the PLM strategy, as it allows companies to optimize actions, save time, resources, and scale their marketing efforts. One of the fundamental factors of automation and people-led marketing is predictive analytics, which consists of examining a series of data through statistics and algorithms in order to interpret them, detect patterns, and obtain predictions about a process. For example, it's possible to predict trends in a sector, consumer behavior, or the results of a new launch, among other things, which will facilitate the generation of new content. Media. Nowadays, the generation and distribution of content by brands are carried out in different ways and through different channels. But for the people-led marketing strategy to be effective, it is necessary to complement these efforts with a good paid media strategy. With paid campaigns, you can boost the organic content that performs best, thus increasing the reach of your message and encouraging greater interaction with users. What should we keep in mind? Create more engaging ads. In addition to allowing brands to present themselves as more transparent and real, the people-led marketing strategy generates a higher click-through rate and considerable reduction in ad costs. The case of Mistral is very relevant. After launching a social ads campaign with user-generated content, the brand saw a 43% increase in click-through rate, a 200% boost in sales, and a 175% increase in market share. Capitalize on bottom of the funnel. Launching a paid media campaign will generate more traffic to organic content, which in turn can be leveraged to create retargeting campaigns on audiences that are in the BOFU or bottom of the funnel, people very close to the point of purchase phase. In this way, brands can capitalize on the interest generated in users and appeal to potential customers in a more personalized way, increasing the chances of conversion. And let's not forget SEM. SEM, or search engine marketing, is a set of tools, techniques, and strategies that help us to optimize the visibility of our content through search engines. In short, it is a strategy that allows us to appear more and better positioned among Google search results and other similar sites when users search for our keywords related to our brand. Benefits of PLM. We've already talked about the 4 fundamental pillars of people-led marketing, and I want to list some of the benefits of this new strategy. Let's take a closer look. Improve your main KPIs. The following are especially enhanced and improved: reach, engagement, visits, brand searches, transactions and conversion rate, average ticket, repeat purchase, and word of mouth. Boost your performance strategy. Elevates your authenticity and trust between brand and consumers. It leads to cost savings. Involves innovating and surprising users. Increases top of mind and customer loyalty. You can be more efficient with automation and AI. You get more data on your customers and your actions. And that's it for today's video. If you want to know how to apply the people-led marketing strategy in your business, you can watch our course, The New Evolution of Marketing. Discover people-led marketing and grow your brand on our YouTube channel, and download the explanatory ebook where we detail all the phases of the process and the strategy. If you like this video, feel free to leave us a like and comment on how you plan to approach your marketing strategy to stay relevant for your customers. And if you want to know everything related to digital marketing, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.